Hello, this is William Pruitt. This is my discussion board 2 submission. I realize I'm way behind. Been extremely ill. I'm sorry. Trying to catch up. Hopefully, I can get there. Anyway, my subject for informative is going to be EMT or EMS. The topic is EMS. General purpose is to give my audience an idea of what EMS or the EMT and the EMS community does and what it takes to get there. My very specific topic is to explain the training, what the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians is, which is the national board that governs it, what we are allowed to do and not to do, and also how being within this field and in the public makes it very easy for us to share our faith with people, especially in their times of need, to show the love of God for people who are hurting, who are sick, who are in pain, and explain to them that God, provides for them, and here we are. I've had more than one opportunity for that. My thesis is, if you like people, you like working with the public, if you're interested in science such as medical, if you live in a community that's especially rural, but even in urban, there are opportunities to do EMS and EMT type work without being employed. You could do it voluntary to be a supporter for your community. So I would like to explain how it happens and how you get there, the amount of training it takes. And like I said, it helps further God's plans by showing His love and how much one person can help another person in their time of need. I'm going to use my uniform as visual. On one side is a patch that says that I work for the state. The other shows the company that I actually work for. The reason I chose this is I feel like it is a good topic for anyone who is interested in trying to find a way to share God's love with people and to help people in need. Like I said, it promotes God's love. It promotes helping people who are harmed. Just like the Good Samaritan, you help people you don't know out of the goodness of your heart. It shows that you're full of love and that you're giving God's love. And the reason I thought it would be good for my audience is it gives them maybe some information they didn't know, that you can do this voluntary in most communities. You don't actually have to hire on to an EMS company or work for a hospital or ambulance service. You can do it from home and be part of your local community and be what they call a first responder. But this concludes the informative part of my presentation, and for my persuasive part of my presentation, I chose to discuss food banks. That's going to be my topic. Food bank support. My general purpose is going to be to provide the overall view that food banks exist and what their purpose is. In my specific, I would like to explain the need why food banks exist, the need that is out there in what is called food insecurity. This is a very real problem, and I would like to explain what it is and how food banks combat it. And I would also like to explain a little how you can show the love of God by giving to others of yourself, either with your money, your time, or actual, feeding people. My thesis statement is food insecurity is a real problem. It does exist. It's larger than most people understand, because it's not so obvious to see someone who's food insecure, and we can help this situation by giving to food banks. I have a website and a phone number of the Middle Georgia Food Bank. This will help. This is going to be my visual. This will help contact who you need to contact in my area, and then you can look up in your area to see how you can contribute or help. The reason that I chose this topic is I believe that it's a true problem, and it should be addressed. And anyone can help, even small amounts help. The way it shows God's plans or his disciplines in the Bible is by giving to others and giving of yourself, showing his love. And the reason I think it would help our classmates is, well, maybe they're unaware that there's a food bank in their area, or maybe they're unaware that food insecurity exists or how rampant it really is. I see it a lot in my field. A lot of social issues are caused because people just don't have enough food to eat. So, anyway, thank you for allowing me to submit, and I will. Thank you. Bye.